Enw fi di Cameron, come from Rosgadfan, 19 oed.
My name's Aled, I'm from Mould and I'm 21.
Enw fi di Brandon. Hello, enw fi di Brandon, I come from Rill and I'm 18. I work with children, young people, older people as well, working in 2 churches. Hefyd, dyn ni wedi bod yn arwain gwasanaethau ar y Sul.
Jyst gallu sôn am gweld pobl efo'r courage i ofyn am Duw a am ffydd fi.
Wel, jyst dim weld adra a jyst dim weld ffrindiau chi.
Y glwys sydd wedi bod yn ffantastig, jyst yn gofalu amdano ni. Pobl yn dod o bwyd draw i ni, full meal, a just help ni allan efo unrhyw beth.
We just do sports coaching, we'll do basketball, football, all different kinds of sports, and just trying to get to know the kids and try and also just get them to know who Jesus is.
Mae wedi bod yn amazing just gweld Duw yn gweithio mewn ffyrdd bach. Mae yna bore coffi, da ni'n neud ar bore dy Mercher, a da ni gweld hynny'n tyfu a tyfu dros y misoedd. Gwneud peth yn berthnasol i bobl ifanc, mae pawb efo stereotype o capel yn pen nhw. Ni eisiau trio torri drwy hynny, jyst dangos da ni'n bobl normal, ond da ni efo Duw yn bywyd da ni, a mae hwnna'n neud bywyd ni'n amazing. A dwi'n meddwl bod yr eglwys angen bod yn hyderus yn beth nhw'n gallu neud.
Plannu hadau, jyst plannu hadau. Dim yn nerth ni da ni'n gallu neud Cristnogion, ond yn nerth Duw.
I'm expecting a lot of poverty, to be honest, seeing a lot of people struggling, sickness and diseases around. But I'm hoping that we'll be able just to shine a bit of hope in those situations, and also be an encouragement to the other Christians in Kolkata, just being able to say we're here with you and we're praying for you, and also just learn something new from them about how they do mission in Kolkata and see if we can apply it to Wales.
I became Christian because missionaries came over, so I felt that it was more essential that I stayed home really, because if someone's having to come to my country to tell people about Jesus, then I might as well stay home and carry on with what they were doing and tell people about Jesus. Dwi'n meddwl, fel fi, dwi wedi dod i, wel, jyst mynd i mwy hyderus efo neud stwff fel just siarad o flaen pobl, siarad o flaen lot o bobl, a just mynd i ysgolion yn neud gwasanaethau ac ar y dydd Sul.
Dwi'n definitely meddwl bod ffydd fi wedi cryfhau, bod dwi fwy ar dan am Dduw rwan a be erioed.
If you're considering doing a gap year, I'd say go for it, because people need to hear about Jesus. Oherwydd oedd pawb yn Christian, ti'n teimlo bod oedd Crist yna fyd oherwydd oedd pawb yn just annog i'n gilydd.
God gives us the chance to shine. He's given us all talents, and I've never had that chance to use my talent.
Mae'n gallu bod yn anodd yn sicr, ond mae'n brofiad amazing a 100% ewch amdano fo.